What is genealogical research? Well, that's when a researcher tries to identify their ancestors. Those ancestors had important things happen in their lives. These are life events. A life event is something like birth, marriage, or death. These events happen in a particular place and time. Ancestors also have relationships. Often life events create relationships. Relationships form families. During the lives of these ancestors, they interacted with each other and institutions like governments, churches, or businesses. Details of these interactions were often recorded and preserved in historical records. When someone wants to identify their ancestors, they first set a research objective. This may be a formal or informal objective. The more advanced a person is in genealogy, the more likely the research objective will be formal. Next, a research plan is created. Just like the research goal, this may be a formal or informal plan, depending on the researcher's skill and the complexity of the objective. The research plan identifies historical records which may be helpful in fulfilling the research objective. Throughout the process, the researcher may need to consult expert knowledge in a variety of forms and about a variety of topics. The researcher searches the historical records identified in the research plan. They grab and analyze evidence from these records that pertain to the research objective. They record the results of these searches in a work journal or research log. The formality of the work journal is also related to the skill level and the complexity of the objective. After analyzing the evidence from the historical records, the researcher creates theories based on the evidence. Theories evolve into conclusions once the researcher is satisfied that they have come up with the best possible answer to the research objective given the available evidence. Sometimes researchers go straight from the evidence to conclusions without theorizing. These conclusions usually describe the ancestor in question and are relationships or life events. Throughout the research process, the researcher works with other researchers, friends, and family. They discuss and share information about evidence, theories, conclusions, ancestors, relationships, life events, families, and much more. The researcher typically creates and uses charts, like a pedigree or family group sheet, to organize the conclusions about their ancestors. This is a conceptual overview of genealogical research. Want to learn more? Check out our other videos. Oh, and be sure to leave your comments below. Thank you.